Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Fong Law. My name is Daniel Fong. I'm an estate planning attorney. I'm certified by the State Bar of California as a specialist in trust, estate planning, and probate. In this channel, I like to discuss legal issues relevant to your daily life, especially legal issues relevant to the coronavirus. As we all know, the coronavirus situation is still very serious in the United States. There are many heartbroken stories during this crisis. Today, I would like to share with you a real story that I find heart-touching. I have a client who is the only child in the family. She graduated from university this year. However, due to the coronavirus situation, the commencement ceremony was cancelled. She just returned home. Little did she expect that only a few days after she returned home, her parents were infected with COVID-19 and they were sent to the intensive care room. It was like a bolt from the blue sky to her. She just graduated from university. At this age, she was supposed to be free from worries. However, now she had to take care of many things. She needs to be a current healthcare agent, making healthcare decisions for them, such as whether to terminate their therapy. She also needs to be a parent's financial agent, making financial decisions for them. She has never thought about being her parent's agent. She was totally unprepared for that. This is a heart-wrenching story. I hope no one would ever be put into this situation. However, we don't know when a disaster will strike us. Therefore, we need to prepare early. A country needs to have enough face masks, protective gears, and ventilators in case of a plague. As individuals, we need to have the right documents to protect us when we face a crisis. Anyone over 18 should have an Advanced Healthcare Directive, AHCD. This document designates someone to be your healthcare agent, making healthcare decisions for you when you cannot. You can also specify in this document under what circumstances you don't want to be kept alive. This way, you can spare your family from making a very difficult and painful decision. The AHCD also allows your agent to get your medical record. The United States law is very protective of a patient's privacy. If you don't have a patient written authorization, you will not be able to get the patient's medical record even if you are the patient's immediate family member. In the case that I just mentioned, if the daughter doesn't have the written authorization from her parents, the doctors can even refuse to talk to her about her parents. Another very important document is the Durable General Power of Attorney, DPOA. This document designates someone to be your financial agent, making financial decisions for you when you cannot, such as writing your checks, withdrawing money from the bank. This is a very important document. In the case that I just mentioned, if the daughter doesn't have a DPOA from her parents, she would not be able to go to the banks to withdraw money from her parents' bank account to cover their medical expenses. She also would not be able to negotiate with the hospital and the insurance company on behalf of her parents. In addition to these documents, what other documents do we need? Everyone should have a will. A will is a legal document that specifies who will receive your asset when you pass away, and who will be the person responsible for carrying out your will. The person responsible for carrying out your will is known as personal representative. Your personal representative has the authority to decide where you will be buried, how your funeral is conducted, and whether your body should be cremated. A will is particularly important for parents who have minor children. If you have a minor child, who will take care of that child when you pass away? If you have the will, you can name someone as your minor child guardian. So when you pass away, the guardian will be able to take care of your child. If you don't have a will, the court will appoint someone to be your minor child guardian, and that person may not be the right person. Also, you need to have a trust. In California, if you don't have a trust, when you pass away, your estate will go through a legal procedure known as probate. In California, probate is conducted by the court. It's a time-consuming, it's also very expensive. In California, probate generates probate fees. Probate usually costs anywhere from 5% to 7% of your gross estate. Let's say you have $1 million home. The probate fees will be around $50,000. And be mindful that when the court calculates probate fees, the court will use the gross value, not the net value of the estate. Let's say you have $1 million home, but you only pay $200,000. You borrow $800,000 from the bank. That means the net value of your home is about $200,000. However, the court will still use the gross value of $1 million, not the net value of $200,000, to calculate probate fees. The best way to avoid probate is to set up a living trust. You set up a living trust, transfer your asset into the trust, and let the trust own the asset. And you can become the trustee of the trust. As trustee of the trust, you exercise full control of the trust asset. When you pass away, your trust asset do not need to go through probate. There will be no court supervision, and you will save a tremendous amount of time and money for your family. My last advice to you is that hire an estate planning attorney to do your estate plan. As we all know, lawyers have different specialties. Some are divorce lawyers, some are business lawyers, some are personal injuries lawyers. And when you want to do an estate plan, you should hire a lawyer who focuses on estate planning. And how do you know whether a lawyer focuses on estate planning? Let me give you a hint. If a person is certified by the state bar as a specialist in trust, estate planning, and probate, this person must focus upon estate planning. When it comes to your estate plan, don't be a penny wise and a dollar foolish. Hire a professional to do it. If you want to know more about estate planning, you can call my office. My office phone number is area code 626-289-H299. Area code 626-289-H299. You can also visit my website. My website address is fonglawusa.com. FONGLAWUSA.com. You can also visit my Facebook page. You can search Fong Law Group in Facebook, and you'll be able to see my page. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, or share. If you think my video may be useful to other people, please recommend it to them. Lastly, I wish you a very good day and hope to see you soon. Thank you.